Operating the machine. When you arrive on site, always do a site assessment first. Look around for any conditions or obstructions that could hinder trenching or make operating the machine unsafe for anyone. If there is a source of sparks, flames, or unknown vapors nearby, do not operate. When your assessment is complete, lock the trencher's wheel hubs and start it up. For starting in cold weather conditions, consult your owner's manual. Start and warm up the engine. Raise the boom to prepare to move. Make sure the chain forward and reverse lever is in neutral when not trenching. Move the axle to the unlock position to drive the trencher to the starting location. Always travel slowly, especially if you're inexperienced. Avoid driving near drop-offs or embankments. Also, avoid driving or operating the trencher on a slope. You can drive and trench on up to a 20-degree slope. However, if the trencher is driven or parked on a slope of greater than 20 degrees, the machine will shut down automatically. Also, never drive too close to the side of a previous trench. The weight of the trencher could collapse the trench wall, flipping the machine. Position the trencher. Remember that the trencher is designed to trench while moving in reverse. Once you're positioned and ready to begin, push the throttle lever to the full on position and lock the axle while the ground speed control is in neutral. Slowly move the ground speed control into reverse until you reach your desired speed. Hold the dig chain engage lever in the on position. Pull up on the clutch lever. Slowly lower the boom until the chain is at your desired depth. Put the wheel drive control in reverse and slowly start to trench. Adjust your speed to the soil conditions and terrain until you've got it right. The machine can slowly lurch forward if the digging chain is forced too quickly into the ground or catches on a buried object. If at any point rocks, roots, or other objects jam the chain, release the clutch lever and then manually reverse the dig chain lever to dislodge the debris. Run the chain forward to continue digging through areas with rocks or roots. Occasionally activate the clutch lever to move the machine back a few inches and repeat until you've passed through the tough area. If the trencher bounces a little when lowering the boom, try lowering it slower. You can also move the trencher backwards a bit during the plunge cut while lowering the boom to reduce the bounce as well. Never overload the engine. If the engine lugs down or the digging chain slows, release the clutch lever or reduce the wheel drive speed until the engine speed recovers, then continue trenching. After the job. Once trenching is complete, move the trencher to level ground and park. Lower the boom onto the ground. Ensure that the dig chain is in neutral when you're not trenching. Reduce the throttle to idle and turn off the engine switch. Be sure to close the fuel shutoff valve. If you don't, fuel could leak into the cylinder and crankcase. Damage from this is not covered under warranty. Let the machine cool entirely before refueling, performing maintenance, cleaning, or touching the engine, muffler, hydraulic components, or hydraulic fluid. Always thoroughly clean and service trencher after every use. To clean the machine, wait until it's cool and then spray it down with water. Once clean, run the machine briefly to remove water from the system. Once you return to the shop, complete all other required cleaning, lubrication, and, if equipped to do so, battery maintenance. For specifics on these tasks, consult your owner's manual. For more information, visit www.barretomfg.com.